Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to enable OneDrive backup on this laptop. So first, open the Start menu, and from here go to Settings. Now in Settings application, go to Accounts section, scroll down the list to Windows Backup. Open Windows Backup menu, and here to set up OneDrive folder syncing, click the Setup Syncing icon. And now if you have to first sign into your Microsoft account, then do it, and once you do it you will see a window like this where you can select different folders on your computer that you want to back up using OneDrive. And once you select the folders that you need to back up, just click Save Changes and let Windows handle this backup process for you. Now, as you can see right now, OneDrive says that it's not syncing, but if we just reload this menu, basically reopen this menu again, you will see that the status is now changed, and right now the OneDrive is syncing with this computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.